In 1994, we set out with the aim of achieving the firsts. From education to construction, from law to telecommunications and foreign trade, we have made significant investments in Turkey's future over the past 30 years. We have realized innovations in the mobile communications sector inspired by this vision. Who we are? We are Turkey's first and only company in the sector that provides services by managing its business 360 degrees. What we do? We provide you with these services. We perform customs clearance with the highest efficiency, with our 30 years of experience and expertise. We provide handling, packaging, and warranty certificate management of thousands of products in our wide product range. As the first and only company with its own bounded warehouse in the telecommunications sector in Turkey, we offer cost advantages to brands, providing fulfillment and spare parts storage services in high volumes with 12,000 square meter warehouse area. Manufacturing. At Yeşil Gezegen Technologies high-tech production facility, all manufacturing processes fully comply with local production regulations and quality standards, ensuring transparency, traceability, and audit-ready operations at every stage. With our advanced production infrastructure supported by Fuji SMT lines, assembly lines, testing, and packaging lines, we deliver high-volume, efficient, and sustainable manufacturing. We rely on our distribution power. We are able to deliver our products to every corner of Turkey's 81 provinces within the same day in Istanbul and average 1.5 days outside Istanbul throughout whole country. We continue to be the leader in the sector thanks to our ability to serve 24/7 operators and provide different payment options with our financial solutions. We follow the current and latest technology and reach all mass markets, TSS channels, marketplaces, mix and retail sales points. We manage operations and projects with corporate channels. We are committed to providing the best service to our business partners thanks to our expert staff, robust IT infrastructure, and transparent reporting tools. In a wide range of products in all categories, we provide technical service for smartphones, TVs, new generation accessories, laptops, and ecosystem products. Ouno Service is Turkey's largest technical service located in Ouno Green Campus in Tuzla, Istanbul. With a staff of 250 people, we provide nationwide service to all reputable manufacturers with a monthly repair and refurbishment capacity of 50,000 units without compromising on speed and quality. On behalf of the brands, we undertake all operations from technical service installation to refurbishment, swap, and DOA/DAP device management. We meet the needs of our customers from 20+ service points spread across 7 regions in Turkey. Through our digital support team, we provide technology consultancy to end users and offer value-added solutions. We secure our customers' products with options such as plus warranty and product protection services. We also play an active role in the after-sales legal processes of our customers and provide them with legal consultancy support on consumer arbitration committee issues. In our licensed refurbishment center, we refurbish smartphones and manage buyback and cashback operations in retail and operator channels. We offer rental services to the corporate market, and we work with determination for a sustainable future with our licensed recycling service. Our ministry-approved licensed electronic waste recycling facility started operations in Tuzla Ouno Green Campus as of December 2023. Our facility continues to operate with natural energy sources. Our recycling facility can process up to 250 tons of electronic waste per month. While investing in this business, we aim to reduce the energy and resource consumption required to produce new raw materials. Our aim is to reduce our carbon footprint while contributing to the protection of natural resources and to lead the proliferation of similar business models as a role model in our sector. As a social responsibility project, we merge recycling and waste art by designing a waste art studio. In this way, we transform waste into works of art by supporting our artists. In our international brand collaborations, we ensure that brand employees obtain work and residence permits in our country, and we also offer accommodation, car rental services, transportation and translation services. We serve as the sole point of contact for our business partners in our country. We can manage payrolls in accordance with the needs. We solve the TSE permissions and test processes of the brand. We are here to streamline your operations in Turkey with a single point of contact. With our professional services and comprehensive solutions, we are here to facilitate your business and support your growth.